Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hi, from the question given that, so here the following table shows the average new car transaction price in USA as a percentage of disposable income. So in the year 1960, 1967, 1994. So here 0, 7, 34. Then this is year. Percentage of disposable income is 43, 62, and 85. So here we need to find a quadratic function f of x is equal to a x squared plus bx plus c that fits the data where x represents the number of years after 1960. So here it is given that f of x is equal to dash x squared plus 3.1x plus 43. So here the value of b is given and c is given. So we just need to find the value of a. So let us take the first point. So here f of x represents the percentage of disposable income. So 0, 43 will be equal to x, f of x. So 43 is equal to, if we substitute the value of x is equal to 0, then a times of 0 plus b times of 0 plus c. So c is 43. That was already found out. So c is 43. Now let us take this another point 7, 62. So which is equal to x, f of x. So now on substituting, 62 is equal to a 7 squared. So 49 a plus 7 times of 3.1 plus 43. So simplify this, we obtain. So simplify this, we obtain the value of a is equal to minus 0.0551. Therefore, the quadratic equation f of x is equal to minus 0.051551 x squared plus 3.1x plus 43. I hope you found the answer useful. Thank you.